This is my daughter's recipe, and it's definitely not your mama's tuna salad. My daughter called me a little while ago, and she said, you have got to try this recipe. I was trying to make tuna salad. I didn't have any relish on hand, but I did have the one and only Miss Campbell's Chow, and I used it, and I used mayonnaise, and she used these. She dipped this into the tuna salad, so we're gonna give this a try. This ain't your mama's tuna salad. I've got 2 cans of white tuna that I've drained the water off of. I don't buy tuna that's packed in oil. I buy it packed in water. You buy what you like. I've got two cans of that. And my mama always had tuna salad in the summertime. And we would have it with sandwiches and crackers and sliced tomatoes from the garden. But this is definitely not what my mama made. So I'm going in with, instead of sweet relish, Miss Campbell's Chow. And if you've got the hot version, that's even better. So I'm eyeballing things here. Yeah, that looks good. I'm also making a mess, so let me clean myself up here. All right, that's what it looks like so far. Now I'm coming in with mayonnaise. How much mayonnaise? Totally up to you. That's a heavy tablespoon, maybe a little more. And we're going in with something hot. Use what you like. I've got sriracha, but I have this, and I haven't tried it. It's the extra hot Frank's Red Hot sauce. I'm going in with that. Gotta find out. And of course, some salt and pepper. This is spicy tuna. My daughter loves sushi, and she will do sushi bowls at her house, and she somehow discovered that she likes sriracha in her tuna through doing the tuna bowls, but this is tuna salad on an entirely different level. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna give it a taste and see if it's hot enough. No, it needs more hot sauce. But I like hot stuff. If you don't like hot stuff, this might not be the recipe for you. That hot sauce turns it a tiny bit pink. I'm going in with some Miss Vickie's spicy dill pickle cheese. Because why? When you're eating something like tuna salad, you need something crunchy to go with it. Oh my. This, by the pool or the beach, unbelievably delicious. Enjoy.